So you guys, to get started with our video, we will be using 3 jalapenos. They're the larger size. I got them from Walmart. It was like 3 for $1. So we're going to use that, some cream cheese, Philadelphia brand, of course. This is string mozzarella cheese, but it works as any other regular cheese, so that's why I got it. And I got some bacon, all from Walmart. And we will begin this cooking process, which is so simple, so easy. You really can't mess this up. You can honestly make this to your liking. This is actually my first time making it, and it came out really good. So while you watch me struggle to open the cream cheese, I will be just talking and wasting you guys time trying to open cream cheese and all. I don't know why I ain't opened this prior to the video. I'm sorry, you guys. So you're gonna get the cream cheese, you're gonna stuff it in the jalapeno. Put as much as you would like. I cut the mozzarella cheese up into 4 pieces for each stick, and you will just stick them down in there. Now, I used mozzarella and cream cheese simply because I didn't want it to be just a gooey texture, and then I didn't just want it to be like a cream cheese texture. So I was like, I want to use both. So that is why I'm using cream cheese and mozzarella, and trust me, it is really good. And then you will just get it, wrap it in bacon. I feel like you can wrap that however you want to. Now, I will say this. When this cooks, you're going to wish you would have used more than 2 strips like I did. So, I would recommend using more than 2 strips. Now, since this is my first time making these, as I said, use more than 2 strips because bacon consists of a lot of fat, which dissolves. So you will see the end results of this video. So I didn't record, well, I did record, but I cut it out. Making all of the jalapenos, all you're doing is stuffing them with cheese, you guys. Wrapping them in bacon, and this is how they look. Now, I am being a little extra with the onion powder. You really don't need seasonings because bacon is already salty and very flavorful. And then I added some Italian flakes on top. Don't ask me why I used that, you guys, because I really don't know. And yeah. So when you put these in the oven, set your oven to 395 degrees and let them cook for 30 minutes or until bacon is crispy brown to your liking. You guys see how some of that bacon just dissolved. Look at the cheese. Look at all the gooiness, the bubbly. Yeah. And this is how my stuffed jalapenos came out, and they were so delicious. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
I throw that ass back to see if he gon' catch it. I ain't athletic, but it's tennis for the